Hello everybody, I have a job for you. If you're interested a job, so a manufacturing company is offering a job in welding and painting the trolleys and transport equipment. So if you're interested in this job, so you can come on Monday 11 a.m. May 2 for an interview. And the working location is Yotsukaido station. So you can see the salary is 228,000 yen to 316,000 yen. So if you are interested in this job, please come to our office, and our office is in Kanda. So here is the address, and so we have job fair every Monday, Wednesday and Friday 11 a.m. and also Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So if you are interested in this job, please come to our office for an interview. Thank you.